It's over, motherfuckers.
You get your lord out of here right now! Empty all the money out of the register now, asshole shit! Okay, please! Don't hurt me, I'm probably Hurry up! I'm hurrying!
Come here now.
Hurry up! You motherfucker! Get off the ground, Doby! Get off the ground! What is this? No! I don't know what it is! I'll give you your money. You better! I'm gonna give you the coins. 20 seconds. 20 seconds. No! Everybody freeze! Oh, okay.
Police, everybody freeze!
Please don't shoot it! I said freeze!
Everyone get down on the ground! We're busting this
Anybody moves, I'll
operation.
shoot!
Get on the ground!
Round it out, boys.
Hands up in the air, buddy. We got this around here. We're going in the military.
You're gonna die! These helicopters are going to die! Get ready
Right
to
there.
Oh my god!
Come on, these fellas!
Shut up! And you won't shut up! Otherwise you're not!
Lock on target, men! Ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I suppose we all thought that, one way or another.
Nobody expects
Now I will get eternal light.
the yellow team.
None of you understand the work I do! Just leave me the alone!
Alright, boys, you're locked in there and you're not getting out for the next 30 days, no matter how much you scream and cry and beg. You're stuck in there.
No! This can't be! This can't be! No! 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 Charlie, where are you? Charlie, come back! No! I can't have you! You can't do this to me! You're my life! Oh, God! I can't deal with this anymore! I can't do this anymore! No more Charlie and friends!